I just tried out EUC night riding. I realized very quickly that I didn't have the right gear at all to be able to see well, and also for people to be able to see me. So here's my quick gear that I've pulled together so that I can ride safely. First of all, my favorite part, I've lit up my backpack with this LED rope light. It says it's IP67 waterproof. I mean, I'm not going to be riding in the rain anyways, especially not at night. This comes as a single strip. It's 1 meter long. And I just joined the edges together with Velcro strapping. The cable here just plugs into a battery pack. This just tucks right into my backpack. Zip it up. And this does come with a remote. I like the rainbow setting, so I just leave it on that. With this on, I look nothing like any other type of vehicle. So I really like that one. And then to attach it to the backpack, it's really simple, just more of the Velcro that's attaching to various points on the backpack that were pre-existing, so I didn't have to modify anything. It could be taken off if I don't want to have it on there for day riding. This strap just goes right around the back. It can easily be detached right here. And then on top of that, for further visibility, I bought a pack of all these little LED lights. They come like this, and you just put the Velcro on there. I have Velcro on my helmet now, so I can pop these on and off. You have to be able to take them off to get to the charging port because that's at the back. And then that also has a remote. So now, got all these flashing lights on the backpack, back of my helmet, and I attached them to strips of Velcro. There's little, like, I don't know what to call those, little place where you can tie things onto it. So I just tied it onto this Velcro to make sure that it was going to be really secure to the strap. And then this, I can just Velcro around whatever gear I'm wearing on the outside, and that makes me super visible from all sides. Same thing with my gloves. These are just Velcroed onto the glove. So that makes sure that other people can see me. But I also want to be able to see myself because the light on just the unicycle, it does have a headlamp, but that's not enough. See far enough ahead to avoid potential pitfalls, maybe literally, in time to avoid them and to be able to navigate safely. So for that I've got this Phoenix headlamp. It's about $100, I think. Has a removable battery. You can also recharge it inside of this thing, so you don't need a separate charger. But I also have bought separate batteries so that I can carry a backup. This just opens up. You can replace the battery. And this one has 2 types of light, a warm one and a cool one. Not at the same time, but you can choose either the warm or the cool. The warm is supposed to maybe help you see better in fog is what I read, but I don't know. I kind of like the cool one. Has 3 brightness settings. 1, 2, and 3. That's as bright as I would ever need. The warm one, same thing, 1, 2, and 3. So this goes onto my helmet, just straps around under this, and that way I can see very, very well. As a backup though, I have a handheld light just in case if something happened to my headlamp or if for some reason I needed another type of light. It's nice just to carry a backup. So I borrowed just a bike light from my dad who wasn't using this. So handheld light is also pretty good for riding because you can point it wherever you want. So I like having my hands free in general, but I'm going to definitely be carrying this as a backup just in case. So that is my complete night riding setup for now. I don't think I'm going to need any additional lights. I mean, this seems to be pretty high vis and I can see really well with that headlamp. And it's not too heavy. It does add a little bit of weight, but overall these things are all very light. I at first got a larger rope light because I thought I could do an interesting pattern or something, but it was so heavy that I decided to return that and I switched to the just single meter length so that I can have high visibility but not too much extra weight because it's just too heavy. I already have all these little gadgets and stuff that I have to carry in here, extra water, repair kits, my inflator, carry that around too so that if I need to fill my tire back up. Got a patching kit too, so I am taken care of. Even if I get a bit of a hole in my tire, I can fix it and refill. So I have to carry a lot of things. I really didn't want my weights to add too much more to that. I also have to have bottles of water in there. And at the back, I put this pad here so that if I do fall on my back somehow, at least have something there to absorb some of the shock, not just my back straight on my inflator. So I think I'm going to be good now. I just need to practice my actual technique. That's what's gonna get me in the end, is the skills issues.